What's up, guys? This guy thinks that he is funny. Let's watch what he does.
Thank you. Court does call the case of people versus Devontian or Devontian Gibson. I set up yesterday.
Not for senior assistant prosecuting attorney.
Devontae.
Ready, Judge. Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Your Honor, I tried to go and visit Mr. Gibson at the jail yesterday. Mr. Gibson was apparently in court on other matters.
Yes, he was here.
I heard. I spoke to his counsel on those matters, and I've spoken to the people. My understanding is they're working on a global resolution on all these issues. So if we could go out a couple weeks and see if we can get everything
Where
wrapped
did we
up.
put his other?
I'm gonna tell you.
I think we put his other case. I think we put his other cases to the first. I'll let you guys finish.
I'll ask him. May I address bond, Judge?
We tried that yesterday.
Just told him that.
Okay, well, let me adjourn this because we set his other matters for the first.
Thank you, Judge.
So probable cause conference in this will be May 2nd, 2024, 9 a.m. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. My client indicates that he has a personal bond on his other files. He's asking you to make a personal bond on this file as well. He indicates he will come back to court. He's hoping to get all this wrapped up as a global resolution, and he's hoping you will consider a reduction on his bond.
Respond.
I want to compliment Mr. Feaster on the spring collection.
Oh. Thank you, Mr. Connecticut.
That's a sincere compliment. You are very familiar with this defendant. He has cases with your honor. I believe he also has one case with Judge Frushauer, which is an OWI case, if I'm correct. If the court's inclined to reduce the bond, I know the court will impose appropriate conditions on this defendant. But we're trying to work out a case resolution where all of the pending cases are resolved.
Okay. Where do you
Yeah, and
reside?
I wouldn't dare not come back to court. I wouldn't dare.
Really?
Yes, Your Honor.
So if you don't come back, then I can just lock you up and don't have to hear from you again.
Yep, that's right.
I can do that?
Yes, sir. That's how confident I am. I'll be done.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay.
Just so you're aware of the posture of our case, the felony case that you have today,
Yeah.
the offer that I made to Mr. Feaster involved reductions on these two felonies to misdemeanors in conjunction with pleas on the pending misdemeanor cases. So everything ultimately would be misdemeanors and they would be under likely your supervision. because you
Yeah.
have The lion's share of those cases.
Okay. You reside in Chelsea area?
No, Your Honor.
Where do you reside?
It's a matter.
Because I don't know. I don't have the other files, but I don't know if I have the current address because that's not the address I have on the. We have an MC address for the other cases. Okay. Going to reduce your bond to a personal recognizance $5,000 bond with the admonition, I dare you not to show up.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So you got to come and see me on the first, on your misdemeanor cases, on the ones that are currently misdemeanors, and you got to come back on the second here.
May 1st?
So you got 2 days in a row.
I'm not sure what time, but I know I got,
See, that's how you go.
no.
Yeah, I should
I
just
got
keep.
an FOC on the first too, but I'm not sure what time though,
You got a friend of the court?
on the first, yeah.
I can,
See, this is how he was gonna mess it up, you know?
well, he's gonna be.
Well, I'm
He
not
would
sure
have gone
what-
down to the front of the court or not gone to
I'm not
the
sure if
court, got locked up. Then next thing you know, he would have, see, mean,
Well, he said he'd be here, Judge. He didn't say he'd be there. So he'll be.
what?
He said he'll be
Your
here.
FOC can always.
Yeah, but then they'll be looking for him.
That's true, Judge. But he promised you he'd be.
What time is your FOC hearing?
I'm not sure. I just know
It's my
on the
office
first.
representative.
Okay.
It's not a case, it's just show cause.
Okay. I assume my office will probably be assigned to help him with that, Judge. I'll speak to Mr. Kincaid and see what we can do to try to assist with that, Judge.
All right. I give him my ammunition. He doesn't show up.
Be here, the first and the second, 9 a.m. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I will come find you.
It's the last